Hello everybody and welcome back to the Jap-Auto-Agent YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking, and today we've got it's a lovely colour, Suzuki Jimny, and you certainly won't lose this in the car park. So this one is a 2025 March registered, so when this is registered in the UK it'll come in on a 25 plate. So it's Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra 1.5i manual. That's a 5-speed manual, 2 and 4 wheel drive, high and low ratio gearbox. This is a ladder chassis type vehicle, and it will come with approximately 600 miles on the so you'd say it's more of a demonstrator, this particular car. 900 kilometers on the odometer at the present time. So it comes with LED headlights, headlight washers, front fog lights, power and heated folding door mirrors with built-in indicators. It's got privacy glass, 15-inch alloy wheels, front side airbags, ABS, brake assist, cruise control, traction control, lanes protection, hill descent, a leather-bound steering wheel and heated front seats. And it has 2 proximity keys with a push-button start on the dashboard, and that means it's got the buttons on the outside of the doors for locking and unlocking the car. It also comes with a number of accessories that have been fitted onto this vehicle, in particular the rear spare wheel cover, which will have been very expensive. It's got mud flaps, it's got the visors over the doors. Those are rain visors or monsoon visors, some people call them. So carpets, it's got overmats that have been fitted. These are all accessories, so it's been pretty nicely accessorized up to now, and people, if they so wish, can add more to that. So I provide the opportunity for individuals to personally import a car direct from Japan. This car is currently located in Japan, and I've been doing this for the past 21 years. You'll find that if you do your due diligence, search around on the internet, you'll find there's plenty of thousands of customers throughout the whole of the UK. You name a location in the UK, I'll have a customer there or very close by. We've been doing it, as I said, a long time. So if anybody wants to learn more about this process and the savings that you will make, they're massive savings. It's basically a win-win opportunity. So if you want to learn more, just get on the phone, give me a call, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you'd like to ask. And if you want something with a different colour, well, we do actually have about a choice of 8 at the minute, 8 of these Suzuki Jimnys available in Japan, in various colours, greys, greens, there's a number of colours. Black, we've got some black ones, and so it's all down to what's in the eye of the beholder, as I said. So if you're looking for a Jimny of this is the 3-door Jimny. I've priced this car landing into the UK at something in the region of 22.5 with the accessories on the car. Without the accessories, they're coming in at maybe just now a little bit touch over 22,000. They're actually going up in the auctions in Japan because of the demand and the popularity. So there it is. Give me a call. My name's Paul. Look forward to hearing from you, and speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.